Okay, the first thing that I'll say, we'll bring the kids out, we'll line them up, and remember the first action is hope. When I say hope, you put your hands on your hips. So the boys, you put your hands on your hips in fists. Girls, you put your hands on your hips like this with your fingers. So we'll say hope, and then we'll start it and we say kia mau. And when I say kia mau, remember that's when you make your face. So I'll say hope, kia mau. You do the pukana, and you do your tongue either like this, just straight, and make your eyes big. So try that again. Hope, kia mau. And then we'll go right into the haka. So let's try that again. Everybody walks in, you spread out, arms length apart. You'll get in behind me, and then I'll say hope, kia mau. Then we start. Kamate, kamate, kaora, kaora, kamate, kamate, kaora, kaora, tenete, tangata, puru, purunana, itikima, whakawhititera, haue hopane, haue kopane, haue hopane, kopane, whititera. And we'll do it again, second verse. Kamate, kamate, kaora, kaora, kamate, kamate, kaora, kaora, tenete, tangata, puru, purunana, itikima, whakawhititera, haue hopane, haue kopane, haue hopane, kopane, whititera. And that's it.